Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve the 8th question from 058042 extended paper from October-November 2024. Now this question is from probability topic. A bag contains 24 colored beads. Some are red, some are blue and 10 are yellow. One bead is picked at random from the bag. Find the probability that the bead is yellow. So it's given that a bag contains 24 colored beads. And out of those 24 colored beads, some are red, some are blue and 10 out of 24 are yellow in color. So here the probability that bead is going to be yellow is 10 out of total 24 beads. So we have written 10 over 24. Now simplifying this, that is 10 and 24 go in the table of 2. So 2 5 times is 10 and 2 12 times is 24. So we get the probability that the bead is yellow as 5 over 12. Now in the second question we have to find the bead is not yellow. So let us make use of a relationship here. The relationship is the sum of all the probabilities of an event will be equal to 1. So here P of y represents the probability of getting a yellow bead and P of y dash represents the probability of not getting a yellow bead. So both the probabilities added together gives us 1. Now since we need to find out the probability of not getting a yellow bead, we are going to take P of y on the other side of equal to sign. So P of y dash, that is bead is not yellow, will be equal to 1 minus bead is yellow. And here in the previous part we had got the bead is yellow probability as 5 over 12. So we have written 1 minus 5 over 12. So let us see what value this gives us. So this is going to give us the value as 7 over 12. So the probability that the bead is not yellow is 7 over 12. Now moving on to the next question. Another bag contains 5 green marbles, 6 white marbles and 4 black marbles. Meera picks 2 marbles at random from the bag without replacement. Find the probability that the first marble is black and the second marble is white. Now here it's given that there are 5 green marbles, 6 white marbles and 4 black marbles in a bag. So total number of marbles are going to be 5 plus 6 plus 4, which gives us total 15 marbles. And it is mentioned that Meera picks 2 marbles at random without replacement, which means that if she picks one marble, for example black marble, she is not going to put it back in the bag. And then she is going to pick up another marble from the bag. So here in the first question, we have to find out the probability that she is going to pick up black marble first, and again she is going to pick up another second marble which is white in color. So here we have written probability of getting black followed by white marble as, since there are total 4 black marbles, we have written 4 out of total 15 marbles times, when she is going to pick up white, there are 6 white marbles, so we have written 6 here, over, now the total number of marbles will be less by 1. So total number of marbles have become 14 now. So let us see what value we get here. So this is going to give us the value as 4 over 35. This is our answer. Now moving on to the last sub question. Both marbles have different colors. Means for example, if she has picked green first, she cannot pick green again. She can pick white or she can pick black. So here we have made a relationship again. That is probability of getting 2 same colors plus probability of getting 2 different colors, or we can say not getting 2 same colors, is equal to 1. Now since we have to get probability of getting 2 different colors, we are going to take probability of getting 2 same colors on the other side of equal to sign. So we get 1 minus. Now probability of getting 2 same colors, we can write it as probability of getting green followed by green, or probability of getting white followed by white, or probability of getting black followed by black. So here we have written 1 minus. Now for the first one, since there are total 5 green marbles, we have written 5 over total 15. Now for the second pick, the total number are going to be less by 1. So 5 becomes 4 out of total becomes 14. Or for the white, there are total 6 white marbles. So we are going to take 6 out of 15 for the first pick. And for the second pick, the total is going to reduce by 1. So we get 5 over 14. Or for the black, we have total 4 marbles out of 15. And for the second pick, the total is going to reduce by 1. So we are going to write 3 over 14. So let us see what value this gives us. So this is going to give us the value as 74/105. This is our answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out these playlists where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.